Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone in Racing Kingdom. To block someone in Racing Kingdom, open up your Racing Kingdom application on your device and log in. Once you're inside this main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on two human icons at the top right corner right in front of the gear button. This will open up your Friends tab. In order to block a friend or a contact, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab and select one of your friends from the friends list. Tap on their profile picture and this will open up a pop-up menu. Click on the three dots in the pop-up and you will see Visit Profile and Block User button. To block the contact, tap on Block User. In the pop-up, confirm by tapping on block once again and you will successfully block someone in Racing Kingdom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.